Hello, how are you? We are extremely happy and excited that you joined us today on the webinar How to Unlock the Power of Mobile Applications for HCPs and Patient Engagement.
So let us meet. My name is Nina Ruska and I'm a Digital Transformation Manager at VISEVEN.
And my name is Helena Holska. I'm Digital Excellence Lead. So, as you know, healthcare consumers are increasingly using technology to manage their health. And from year to year, the number in stats are only growing. If talking about mobile, the usage of this channel has increased from 36% in 2016 to 46% in 2018.
According to the SEP survey, 68% of doctors already prefer online modes of communication as they are much more convenient and faster to get response and easier to touch with.
Mobile application usage is actively growing as well from native applications to supporting devices such as hearables, ingestible sensors, modables, and much more.
Here are some stats from greatcall.com showing top mobile healthcare apps downloads. 50 million downloads were made in weight loss apps. Then Go exercise apps with 26.5 million downloads. After them, 10.5 million downloads go to women health apps. Mobile applications for healthcare organizations help deliver services with quality care, improved workflow, and increased patient interaction while minimizing complexity and cost to achieve the desired goals. The way the people adapt to mobile technology and looking for convenient approaches during illness has also increased the demand for mobile health apps.
So let us see some more numbers about health applications. More than 97,000 health apps are available for mobile and tablets. 52% of smartphone users gather health-related information on their mobiles. 40% of doctors believe mobile technology can reduce the number of visits to the clinic. And 93% of physicians accept that mobile apps can improve patients' health. More than 25% of physicians are using mobile technology to deliver patient care.
So let us check the main points why mobile apps matter. That is physician engagement, strengthening the brand, payer loyalty, and data harvesting.
So let us have a look at how mobile health app will benefit your healthcare delivery. First of all, this is better treatment. Mobile health apps let you provide the best treatment and care anywhere, anytime. Proactive response. Healthcare professionals can monitor patients' condition and respond proactively. They can keep track of patients' health records, update care plans, and maintain peer-to-peer communication and collaboration. Also, reduce complexity. Doctors can store the information easily and it will be available anytime within the need. Appointment scheduling. Patients can book an appointment with HCPs through mobile apps. It helps to organize their availability time better. And also increase your branding. It means approaching a maximum number of customers in all possible ways. It also can support branding marketing by sending push notifications, navigating customers to the organization, and providing access to some contact details such as email, phone, and website.
The key peculiarity of mobile apps is that they make customer engagement possible anytime and anywhere. Apps help get along with your target audience, providing the latest information and support on such live blood points as new product information, prescriptions, education, visits, patients, and conditions.
And here we can see the most popular types of mobile apps required by healthcare professionals. Track reference that can also include name of drug, pharmacology, indication, drug-drug interaction, contradictions. Medical calculators that use to calculate drug dosage based on individual parameters such as age, weight, etc. These processes would usually involve complex formulas using several input parameters. Clinical trial that tracks metrics and provides patient screening remotely, control dosage and proper time of taking drug being studied. Education apps enable constant access to up-to-date materials, drug prescription, diagnostic, etc. It is an interactive tool to stay in touch with physicians and pharmacists as well. Chronic disease management apps improve life quality and track main disease parameters. Patients are in touch with physicians and can manage their lives being supported and coached. Brand stays integrated in patients' life. Patient engagement apps make patients' journey simple and confident, supporting them on each stage of the disease, like information, treatment, measurement parameters, etc.
And here you can see several types of the most popular mobile apps in healthcare market. They are education, diary, tracking parameters, remote monitoring, and others.
So, how VISEVEN can help you establish better engagement with your target audience?
So let us tell you a bit about VISEVEN. We are a full-cycle digital agency with a 10-year wide experience of content development in global pharmaceutical market. Our core mission is to help companies connect patient centricity, patient engagement, and strategic imperatives with the right content and multi-channel mix. We are presently working with more than 30 companies around the world.
And since the year 2007, we started creating mobile apps for global licensing companies. In average, it takes about 1.5 months to create one user-friendly mobile application for iOS and Android ready to market.
So we would like to highlight some of the use cases from our experience on creating mobile applications.
Yeah, so let us learn more about the first case. The dosage calculator apps were created especially for children's caregivers. So it allows to perform a quick and convenient calculation of the dosage and frequency of administering a pill or suspension. The calculation is made possible for a couple of medications as a portfolio. The information is based on the criteria of infection severity level and the little patient's weight. In addition, Calculator app offers simple navigation and clear-cut indication capabilities as well as access to additional product information via a single tap of a button. Operational systems are both iOS and Android.
The second case is dosage calculator for healthcare professionals and parents. The app provides an easy shortcut for medication instruction. With the help of this app, the user can quickly calculate child dosage for medication. The application's calculations are based on the criteria of the child's weight. It also includes all the additional information the caregiver might need, enabled by simple navigation from the drug's composition, route of administration, to its contraindication and side effects. It was created for operational systems like iOS and Android.
The third application we'd like to describe is Onco CheckUp. That is an offline time-saving tool containing recommendations on adjuvant, neoadjuvant, and surgical therapy. By inputting patients' symptoms, essential lab results, and other data, the app is meant to assist HCPs in making the best clinical decision possible at early stages of their patient's treatment. That's the name of the app actually. Onco CheckUp also references a library of clinical case materials for successful medical practice as well as features a planning calendar for convenience of patient meetings. The user can retrieve information regarding prescription medications as well as use medical calculators to figure out the right dosage. The operational systems were both iOS and Android.
The fourth case is a versatile medical reference app for pharmacists, geared toward offering diagnostic possibilities for joint and backbone-related complaints. It helps the user to distinguish between different types of pain depending on its location, intensity, duration, and subjective characteristics. This extensive information found on the app, including helpful videos, schemes, and images, is not only an excellent resource for HCPs, but also for patients. Osteohelp also offers treatment alternatives, each of which can be investigated by looking up each drug's composition, its pharmacological properties, route of administration, etc. It was created for operational systems like iOS and Android, for the target audience, pharmacists.
The Pharmacist Guide is also a holistic app that offers medical education opportunities for physicians, enabling them to stay fresh and familiar with recent trends and new developments in medical world. Continuity of the learning process is playing a key role here, as learning takes place in a form of quizzes which have to be completed on a regular basis. This learning approach has proven to drastically increase info retention. The app also offers various content and reference videos for clinical procedures as well as push notifications to keep the users up to date on new info and opportunities. The target audience it was meant for were pharmacists and operational systems, iOS and Android.
Well, now we would like to sum up the main outcomes of including mobile apps into the modern multi-channel marketing. High efficiency for HCPs. Apps can reduce administrative work and have the latest information about the product available anytime. Clear data flow. You can easily control the information you provide to physicians and patients and collect full cycle data. Communication in the real time. Apps can support physicians and pharmacists in their daily routine with up-to-date information and reducing stress levels. In this way, they can record patient information and make prescriptions faster. Cost reduction. Apps can also save costs for face-to-face visits to physicians, reaching patients from far locations for clinical trials remotely.
So, how to make a healthcare app? First and foremost, any healthcare app should focus on the end user. And a good medical app should, first of all, be easy to use and navigate, be easy to install and work properly. Then synchronize the data across various devices and be safe and preserve sensitive information. Healthcare application development contains business analysis, UI and UX design, backend, app development, quality assurance. Additionally, further maintenance and integrations with EMR systems optional or dependent on app business concept.
So it seems it is all for this online meeting. Are you interested in adding mobile apps in your multi-channel marketing strategy? Contact us at info@viseven.com. We will be happy to tell you more about our expertise. Thank you all for joining us today and goodbye.
Goodbye. It was a pleasure to hold this webinar for you.